Hello everyone, this is our math lesson for number 12, math lesson 12. Materials needed, you're going to need your quiet place to work, you're going to need your math workbook, some crayons, and a pencil. So please make sure you have all of those things ready to go. Okay, so our objective today, our goal is I can solve addition math stories, so like the word problems we've been working on, by drawing a picture, writing equations like this one, and using the 5 group cards. Our vocabulary for today. Again, as always, I'm going to say the word, you're going to listen, and then you're going to repeat. All together. In total. More. Más. Total. Total. In all. In total. For these words, total and total are cognates, and then the other ones are very similar. So that's helpful when we're thinking about bridging our English and our Spanish vocabulary and putting them together and making meaning for both languages. So for our lesson today, we are going to be detectives again. And so what I mean by that is we are going to be looking for clues on what to do. And our clues are going to be some of the words in the word problems. Some of the ones we were actually just said in our vocabulary page. So here's some of the key words or phrases or sentences that we will be looking for. All together, in all, total, and then our question, how many more? So we're going to be looking for these things in our math story. So please open your books to lesson number 12 and write your name at the top of your paper. So this is what the first problem looked like, and then the second one has some cupcakes in a box, and then the third one has bananas in a bag. So that's what the whole page looks like. Okay, so our directions say fill in the missing numbers, and you can use your 5 group cards. All right, so we're looking at our picture. We have 1, 2, 3, so we have 3 plus something, we're not sure how many, equals 5. So we have to figure out how many more we need to make 5. So we're going to count on. So we have 3 here, and then I'm just going to draw some circles next to the backpack. So I'll have 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this is 4 and 5. So how many more did we need to get to 5? 2. Very good. So we're going to write 2 on the line. Okay, our cupcake problem, number 2. So let's count how many cupcakes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 cupcakes plus some that are in the box, we're not sure, equals 9. So we have to start at 5 and add some more to make 9. So again, I'm going to count on. So we have 5 cupcakes already. 6, oops, there we go. 7, 8, 9. So how many more did I draw? 4. So we're going to write 4 on the line. Okay, now you try the bananas by yourself. Go ahead and pause your video and solve this problem. Okay, turn the page. Number 4. So this is a whole math story. So let's read it together. It says, Kate and Bob had 6 balls at the park. Oh, that sounds important, so we're going to underline it. 6 balls. Kate had 2 of the balls. We're going to underline that. Again, that's important to know. The 2 of them had 6, so their names are actually important in this one. And then the question is, how many balls did Bob have? Okay. So let's see. How many do they have all together? 6. Our problem tells us right here, 6. Okay. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to write 6 here on the line because our total is first because the equal sign is first. And then our 2 parts are here. Okay. Now it says Kate had 2 of the balls. So I'm actually going to write the letter K inside of the circle on 2. If your circles are too small, that's okay. You can write it above like this. Now we need to find out, and we can write 2 on the line because we know that was how many Kate had. Now we need to find out how many Bob had because that's our question right here. How many did Bob have? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bob had 4 basketballs. And we can even write a B for Bob. Now we need to fill in our sentence at the bottom. It says, Bob had blank balls at the park. So how many did he have? 4. Alrighty, let's look at the next one together. Alrighty, let's read. It says, I had 3 apples. Ooh, that's important. Underline 3. Oh, and I'm noticing here that there's another person, so I is also important. That we know that I have. Okay, my mom gave me some more. Then I had 10 apples. How many did my mom give me? So let's see. How many apples so she had 3. Okay, so, and then she had 10. Oh, so 10 is our total because the mom gave some and then she had 10. So let's draw 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty. Now, I had 3 apples. So again, I'm going to do 3 apples and we can write the word I in it. 1, 2. Again, if you can't write the letter I inside of it, write it on top. Now we need to see how many the mom gave. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now let's fill in our equation. I'm looking for where the equal sign and the plus sign are because that's going to tell me where my parts and my total go. Okay. So how many apples did she start off with? 3. It says right here I had 3 apples and we have 3 I's. And how many did the mom give? go ahead and count how many M's. 7. And we have how many in total? 10. Oops. Oh my goodness. There we go. 10. All right, so this says, Mom gave me blank apples. So how many did the mom give again? 7. All right, let's stretch out. Warrior 1. And 1. We'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work. All right, you can turn your page. This is the homework page. This is actually the second homework page. It has problems 4, 5, and 6 on it. You do not need to do the first homework page, okay? You can if you want to, but you don't need to. So here the directions say, use your 5 group cards to count on and solve the math stories. Use the boxes to show your 5 group cards. So what that means is how we drew the picture before, we're just going to do it in the boxes. That's all. So I'll read them, and then I'll have you pause the video so you can solve each problem, okay? I'll show you the first one by drawing the picture, and then you can solve the equation. So the first problem says, Jack reads 4 books on Monday. 4 on Monday is important. He reads some more on Tuesday, okay? He reads 7 books total. Good to know. How many books does Jack read on Tuesday? All right, so we're going to have Monday and Tuesday. So it says 4 books on Monday. So we're going to write the number 4. And then on Tuesday, you're going to count on until you get to 7, because 7 is your total, it says. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you're going to fill in your equation and your sentence. So go ahead and pause your video and solve that problem. Okay, number 5. Let's see. It says, Kate has 1 sister and some brothers. She has 7 brothers and sisters in all. How many brothers does Kate have? So let's see. She has a sister, 1 sister, it said, and then some brothers. And in total, she has 7 siblings altogether. So the sister plus brothers has to equal 7. So now you can pause your video and solve number 5. All right, number 6. There are 6 dogs in the park and some cats. There are 9 dogs and cats in the park all together. How many cats? So again, we have dogs and cats. And there are 9. And this said 6 dogs. And we need to find out how many cats. So you can go ahead and solve for this problem as well. And then when you're all done, please take a picture and send to Miss Nicole in your portfolio. Have a great day.